Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to earn a little fraction of Bitcoin called Satoshi totally free. This is a good way to start adventure with Bitcoin. Now, in this website, I'm going to show you how to earn crypto for free, at least a little fraction of crypto. Please, my name is Smartphone Hustle, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please just use 5 seconds of your 5 seconds, pause this video and click on the subscribe button in this YouTube channel. Subscribe. In this channel, all I post is how to earn free BTC and free crypto on this channel. Now, before we get started, if you want to earn money from this website, the name of this website is bigbtc.win. As you can see here, there are about 497 members here. You could also win a jackpot if you play a jackpot. Now, let us get started in this website. Now, before you log in, you need to create an account here, but Bitcoin address should be linked with your PayPal account if you want to withdraw your money. Now, let us register now to get started in this video. Now, let us click on the registration to start earning from this video, as you see here. Now, please, if you have not subscribed, hit the subscription button. Let's get started now. Create an account so that you can start earning at least a little token of BTC. Now, go to this website. After going to this website, you sign up. After signing up, then you click on the login button to log in your account. Now, let us check this website out. Now, click on the registration button to log in your account if you already have an account with this website. Now, after logging in your account or after registering your account, then you log into this account. Now, you can start earning free BTC at affordable price. As you see here, small coin. All you have to do is just log in daily to earn at least one reward coin from this website. Now, let us see now. They say FacePay is distributing $1710 every day in reward of gambling. You can also bet coin here, and you can also, I have already earned 2 reward points, which by logging in on daily basis. Now, let us check out how to mine from this coin. Now, this coin is linked to your Bitcoin account, where you could do some tasks, as you can see in this video, to earn a little coin. Click on the view button that will take you to a place where you could earn free coin just for free by doing small tasks online. Let's just check this video out. Now, when you register with this website, they are going to give you small coin. Now, you can go back now, then you can scroll down. You can continue to view to make more coin from this website. Please, I'll be doing more of this video, as this video will be more important to you. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe now. Now, let us check on the next task over here before we continue. Here's another task where you could view to earn a lot of money online. Now, all you have to do in this website is you could earn, as you see here, Bitcoin here. Create an account and start earning Bitcoin here. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe now to get more updates. Bye.